again. So the last video we dealt with moving around your model space, your 3D space and stuff like that. So now we're going to the tools, what they do. All right, so just going to quickly run through the tools. We've already started treating some of them already. So, but we're going to deal with the basic tools. We're going to deal with your getting started, and I wouldn't do beyond you getting started, right? So this is your getting started tools, and I will just quickly go ahead and get a new. I'll get a new one. Save changes, no thank you. So I get a new scene so I could explain. All right, okay, I don't want to do new because the default template is not millimeters. All right, so new from template, I'll choose millimeters, architectural millimeters. All right, please favorite that, thank you. So, all right, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So that being said, I have that loaded, and let's get started. All right, so we have a couple of tools here, and we'll quickly run through each of them. One of the ways I learn softwares is by learning basic things about the software. Most people just jump in, find YouTube videos, and start watching how to do this, how to do this, how to do that. Now, as someone that uses brain, or if you use your brain to think, you find out that if you know what a tool does, you can find out or learn how to manipulate with the tool. All right, so we're just going to go through the getting started tools. There are a whole lot of tools. There are lots of tools in SketchUp. All right, so but we're just going to go through the basic SketchUp tools, and in the next video we're going to start using them. All right, so here we have the first thing, which is search SketchUp. Search SketchUp is relatively new to my understanding, and it's just for you to search commands. All right, so I want to move an object, I can search that. I want to draw a line, I can just type line, and then I can see my line tool. I can maybe I want to do a follow me. I could just find the follow me tool real quickly and stuff like that. So it's like a way to search and find activate tools by searching for them, right? So I want to get the select tool. I could just type select right there and get my select tool, and that's it, it's active. All right, so we have lasso select and normal select. All right, so let me just quickly do that. Select, so you see the difference. Okay, let me do line tool. All right, so I just click on line and have my line tool selected. All right, so that's basically what this tool does. It helps you to find tools and functions, tools or commands in SketchUp. All right, maybe you know a command but you don't know where the tool is located. You can just type it there. All right, so that being said, that's that. And then the next item on the getting started is your select tool. All right, so you could have your select, which the shortcut key is space. All right, never forget that. Always use shortcut keys when you're modeling. It makes your movement in the modeling space fast. How you know you're mastering it is when you no longer have to click in these places for tools that have shortcut keys. All right, please take note of that. Try to get acquainted with the shortcut keys. It will make your modeling faster. All right. So that being said, this is our select tools. When we have different items, let me just quickly populate my scene with some components so that I can demonstrate. So when we have different items in the scene, I can just quickly select them, all right, with the select tool. All right, so if I click on it, it selects it. If you remember your entity info shows you the information about what you have selected. All right, so I just quickly select anything I want to work on, anything I want to modify. I select it with the select tool. All right, then our lasso select is for when we want to select multiple objects. You can just draw a lasso around your screen, or now when you draw a lasso towards this anti-clockwise direction, yeah, this is anti-clockwise. All right, so when you draw your lasso anti-clockwise, what it does is anything that touches the lasso selection is selected. When you draw it on the clockwise, when you draw it, my bad, when you draw it on the clockwise, anything that it fully selects. For example, if I draw it like this, to select the bed and ignore this guy. All right, so that's the selection. So if you click it, you could actually do polygonal lasso to just draw a selection shape. All right, so when you go anti-clockwise, it selects everything your lasso touches, and if you go anti-clockwise and you go clockwise, it will only select the things that are fully captured in your lasso. That's information you might need to know. All right, so that's that for the first tool, your select tool to select objects in your scene. All right, then we have our eraser. Eraser is simply use it to erase. I want this table gone. I just click on it and it highlights it. If I release my mouse, it's gone. I don't like this lady. I click on her, it highlights it, I release it, it's gone. I select it, it's gone. All right. So Control Z to undo, or yeah, Control Z to undo, and just quickly press Control Z and undo. All right. So that's my eraser. I can erase different kind of things. Anything I want to erase that is in the scene, I can erase it. I can erase a line, I can erase a shape, I can erase different kinds of things, objects, and whatnot. All right.